What's poppin', guys? So in this bonus training, I'm gonna be showing you how to create your own spiffy looking home page. But as I said, you don't need a home page, okay? You don't need it. You only need the super sales funnel. But if you insist, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So go ahead and click on pages and create a new page. And go ahead and call it home page, or what you can do is call it the name of your business. So in my case, I would call it ORS Blueprint. Okay, whatever. Home page, and the URL, this doesn't really matter if you want to add it, but it's going to be the home page. Obviously, is going to be the root of your domain. So it's going to be whatever, www.ors.com. That's what's going to show, and I'll show you how to do that. So go ahead and say publish, yeah, just do that. Say edit with page builder, and I'm gonna show you a really awesome way to have a homepage up and running in like 5 minutes. So you click on this. Once you see this page, click on this icon called starter templates. We also have this where you can import a whole bunch of these pages. You need Pro to do this, but there are some free ones. You've also got blocks that are free, so you can, create block by block your page. You can mess around with that, but the fastest way to do this is, and that's why we gave you this, even in the free blueprint, and go over to click. If you're on YouTube, click on the link to get your free ORS blueprint. If you're already here, then I want to show you how to do this. Okay. Here, the ones you can choose if you're using the free ORS the free blueprint are these templates, the ones that do not have agency on them. So choose whichever one you want. We are going to be using this because, as you see, you might be this has the pricing we were talking about on the trainings, and you can use what you learned here straight away. So go ahead and click on import template, and if this should be pretty fast. Okay, look how fast it took, but if it's not, it could take a long time. Just click that X button that you saw. I'll show you again. When you load the first time and you choose a page, and you're loading it and it says importing and it takes too long, just click the X button and then reload the page. Okay, that's just a tip to get it working. Okay, so as you see, some images did not pull for some reason. That probably means that those images are, I don't know, protected or something. You probably won't be using these images. This should be an image of you if this is a template you want to be working with. So look at this. This is a pretty cool effect. What they did here was they created this section, and this section has the whole section has a background image, which you can edit here. Click on style, image. So if you want to change that, just go ahead. You're gonna have to get a graphic person to do this because this stuff's kind of hard. And then upload the file, and then choose it here and say insert media. Now these are all images that probably did not get imported correctly. Don't worry about that. That stuff happens. We don't really care about the images because we can replace them with whatever we want. This is a title you can change here. As you can see, it says fitness trainer. You can change it here. You can put your name here. About me probably takes to the about section. When it has the hashtag, it takes to a section that's got the hashtag about. So if you want to do something similar, you would click on a section, click on advanced, and then in the CSS ID box, write about. Then any button that has hashtag the name of the section as a link will take you to that section. So check this out. Boom. So in this case, you would write the about words. Do you have any words? Yes, no. If you don't, just delete that. You don't need it. Then update the image here. Just click on that box, choose the image, upload your own image if you want. Choose images from Pixabay. If, like, I don't know, you're selling products, let's say info. Yeah, it doesn't have much stuff. So you'll probably have to go head to Fiverr or something. But you've got something. Info, okay, mockup, product, mockup. let's say. No results found. So let's say smartphone. You've got some, some stuff to work with. Obviously, if you want to get more fancy, you will need someone to help you. But, this is a good starting point. So you can change the title. Just click here, change the title, click on the text, write up the text. This is a list, icon list. And you can edit each text here. If you want to add more, add them here. If you want to delete, click on the X. This is a whole bunch of stuff. You probably won't need this because unless you're a trainer, you don't need this stuff. But you get an idea, so you know how to start making this stuff. This is an intersection you add. If you want to add your own intersection, just click on these. These are all the blocks. Say inner, and you can have a mini column inside a column. So that's how you do that stuff. So you can start, studying this thing. I didn't want you to start doing this before because you get distracted. You don't need this stuff to start, let's say, selling. Okay, so that's basically it. This is the pricing session I was talking to you about. Make sure this button, so this is actually a button. You say edit button. This is actually a button, and with the way they the way they styled it, it occupies all this space. But what you do is you update the link to take out to the checkout page for that product. You update the price, make sure that this price is the same price that they're going to be seeing on the checkout page, and then you're all good to go. This is a gallery. Yeah, it has some missing pages. But you can change all these. You want to change the images of a gallery, just click on this box here, and then you choose the galleries that are going to be showing on the page. Go down, your clients, you can add images of your clients. As you see, it has title and description. So you can say one client was Angelica Gray, freelancer. One client was this other dude, which was agency owner, stuff like that. And just, this could be a cool little thing, what people say about me. It's a type of proof, social proof that's good to use. And then at the end, it has a contact message. I'm against this because then it means that they won't be going through all this, and then you'll be losing time talking with them. But it depends on your business. You know what you're doing. And yep, that's basically it. So I think this is pretty cool. This is one page. That's why I added it. I use this because it's a one-page format. It doesn't have any navigation at all. And that's it. Now, remember to say update, and it'll save it. Now let's go back to our dashboard, because this just created a page. We haven't set this as our home page yet. So let's go back to our dashboard and set that as our home page. So click on settings. I think it's reading, and make sure it says homepage displays as a static page. Click here. So as you see, we set the homepage to be the super seller, and we changed it to be the website that sells 24/7, but this is the title that you will be giving it. Now, if you want it to be a normal homepage, or maybe, so you say click on homepage. Now, this is a normal page that is not part of the funnel. If you wanted to change the homepage, but you still wanted it to be part of the funnel, you would click on funnels and go to your super seller funnel. And what would you do? You'd go here, say edit. And when you say edit page builder, you would do the same thing we did for the normal homepage we just did. So you go in there and then import a page from the starter templates that we're giving you, and you're good to go. But I don't advise you to do that. I mean, that template was optimized to do what we're doing. So I advise you to use that, but you can do whatever you want. This is yours to keep and do with as you wish. So that's it. That's it for our homepage bonus training, and I'll see you in the next lesson. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can go to 5kclients.com YT no, 5kclients.com/YT free. There's a link in the description, and you can get your own free plug and play WordPress blueprint. Cheers.